Hi viewers, today I am going to show you Airmail Wality fountain pen 90T model. See, there are 4 variants with me as of now. There are totally 5 variants. So the color changes in the grip and as well as in the bottom part of the barrel. So as of now we have 4 variants to show you. So it has a very clear transparent barrel, and if you see closely there is an hexagonal design which is visible on the body. And while using this pen, please apply Vaseline on the threads so that the life of the threads will increase. And let us see the writing of each pen. Yeah, the writing is really good. There is no uh, scratchy feeling or something like that. So I used extra fine nib ink here. It is really good. And if you have any queries on the pen, please ask in the comments so that we can answer your exact queries about this pen. So for having a good visibility on each and every pen color and physical view, just we are sharing this video. uh, so these are the 4 colors as of available now with us, and probably the black color will also come in future and we will be having in our stock. Thank you.